This is the fourth and final screencast for Chapter 13. AIDS is the acronym for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Acquired because it can be transmitted from person to person. Immunodeficiency refers to the fact that the virus destroys the immune system. And syndrome because the disease produces a variety of different symptoms. AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. Among the cells affected by it are the helper T cells. Remember, these are the ones that help to regulate your immune system. AIDS itself can be fatal, but often people succumb to other diseases as their immune systems fail. Retro means backwards. As a retrovirus, what HIV does backwards is it uses RNA as a template to make DNA. This is the reverse of what your body normally does, which is using DNA as a template to make RNA. Remember, that process is called transcription. The good news about AIDS is it's not easily transmitted by casual contact like the common cold or the flu can be. A break in the skin is needed for the virus to enter the body. Standard procedures of disinfecting items easily kills the HIV virus. Sharing hypodermic needles with an infected person is the perfect way to transmit the disease. Unprotected sex can also easily transfer the disease. If any body fluids come in contact with an open wound, the virus can be transmitted. Really good news is the disease is not transmitted by insect bites. AZT was one of the first drugs developed to treat AIDS that was of any help at all. The problem with AZT is its toxicity initially prevented its long-term use. That's because high doses of the drug will be fatal. It was only after other drugs were produced and we could use them in combination in lower doses that AIDS treatment has improved, and we've had good success in extending the patient's life. But we still do not have a cure for AIDS. With drug treatment, the virus count can be reduced in the body, but if treatment stops, the virus quickly comes back. Also, because the virus mutates quickly, drugs which are initially effective can become useless after the virus is mutated. Again, the good news is that if you're not sharing hypodermic needles, if you're not having unprotected sex with infected individuals, you're very unlikely to catch AIDS. Remember that condoms are not 100% effective in preventing pregnancy, and therefore they're not 100% effective in preventing the spread of AIDS. If there's leakage around the condom, or if the condom breaks, it's just like you didn't use it. This ends Chapter 13.